A very warm welcome to one and all viewers of Science Viz. Today, I'm here to present you question bank of lesson Nutrition in Plants Class 7. This consists of very comprehensive view of this chapter, Nutrition in Plants. If you like, please share, like and subscribe. Your valuable and inspiring comments motivation for me to have a lot more newer versions of science lessons. Let's have a warm-up round. Guess the pictures and write it down in the comment box. And please note that these two pictures plays a significant role in the lesson Nutrition in Plants. Give two examples of leguminous plants, groundnut and pulses. The bacterium which take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a soluble form, rhizobium. The three plant nutrients that are commonly present in fertilizers and manure, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The organisms that are formed by the symbiotic relationship or association of the fungus and the green algae, lichens. The mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying matter? Absolutely, it's right, saprotrophic nutrition. Name the food factory of a plant, leaves. Let's check out the questions. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called cell membrane. Jelly-like substance present inside a cell, cytoplasm. The tiny pores present in the leaves of the plant for exchange of gases are called stomata. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes called xylem. The tissue, that's a vascular tissue, which transports food from the leaves to other parts of the plant, phloem. The green pigment present in leaf, chlorophyll. Next question. Most cells have a distinct centrally located spherical structure called, yes you are right, nucleus. As the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it's called photosynthesis. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight, chlorophyll. The plant having yellow tubular structure twining around the stem and branches of a tree, Cuscuta. Examples of insectivorous plants, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, bladderwort, etc. The fluffy umbrella-like patches growing on rotting wood during the rainy season, mushroom, it's a type of fungi. The slimy green patches in ponds or other stagnant water bodies are called, yes you are right, it's algae. Next question. The carbohydrates are composed of or made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It's called a parasite. It deprives the host of its valuable nutrients, Cuscuta. Next one. Its ultimate source of energy for all living organisms, sun. Two examples for animal parasite which suck human blood, lice, leeches. We can add more examples, mosquitoes, bedbug, etc. The desert plant that has green stem to carry out photosynthesis is none other than cactus plant. Its presence indicates in leaves that photosynthesis has taken place. Starch is also a carbohydrate. Let's check out the next question. It helps in controlling the opening and closing of stomata for gaseous exchange, guard cells. Pitcher plant traps insect because it grows in soil which lack in nitrogen. In the plant of cactus, leaves are modified into spines. If iron is dropped on the boiled leaf, It gives blue-black color due to the presence of stars. The most abundant gas in our atmosphere, nitrogen. What are the nutrients other than carbohydrates which are required by plants, proteins and fats? Next question. Food preparing process in green plant. You are right, it's none other than photosynthesis. Microscopic units which make up bodies of living organisms, cell. The gas released during photosynthesis, oxygen. Stored form of carbohydrate, starch. Next question. The other name of amarbel, cascata. Nitrogenous substance which contain nitrogen, proteins. The fungal spores that are generally present, where it is generally present, you know, it's normally present in the air. The components that are necessary for our body are called nutrients. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Thank you for your support and valuable comments. Please watch, like and subscribe